Government Degree College, Utnur, Adilabad. My name is G. Vijay, lecturer in Computer Science and Application. Variable is a collection. Variable is a location in the memory to store information. Every variable has a name and types, size, value. A value placed in a memory location replace the value previously stored in them. Every variable has a name, comma, types, comma, size of values. A value placed in a memory location replace the value previously stored them. When a value is a read from a memory location, the value is written undefined. For example, then they will be take this, give the example. So dim means dimensions, it's a dim, and num is a variable name. This is a integer, has a integer value. Then take example of given. This is the statements. Dim is a dimensions. Starting of this program, methods, it's a data types, a keywords, and visual basic keywords. It's a num is a variable name, and this value, it's a variable name. Then data type, it's a taken integer value, then value, particular value, given particular value in this store in num. This is called as a example. This is dim, num as a integer. When a value is a read from a memory location, the value is written undefined. Every variable has a name, comma, types, comma, size, and so values. Value previously store them. When a value is read from a memory location, the value of written undefined. This is called a give the. So a variable declarations of rules. So rules for a declarations of variable. Some given rules. This declarations of variable. The sequence of given value in variable declaration. The scope of variable is determined at the time the variable is declared. In Microsoft Visual Basic for applications, there are 3 scope variable for a variable or procedure: model or public, there are 3 level of scope of variable in Visual Basic: procedure, modules, and public. There are 3 types of variable Visual Basic. So number 1, the variable declarations in the procedure are private to procedure. Declare in procedure or private to procedure. So variable declarations at the form of a module level in the forms or module is general sections use dim, redim, and private and statics or types of a form, or module level variable. The variables are throughout in the module. So variable name must be start with alphabetics characters. Okay, and keywords cannot be used for variable. Keywords cannot be for is variable. So the variable can contains letters or numbers and underscores. Variable can contains a letters or numbers or underscore. This is the variable values. Then variable declarations at the module level. In the module, a general sections using public or a global and the available throughout the project in all forms of modules. Note that you cannot be public in procedure. Note that cannot be public in the procedure. All form of modules. So no special symbols or includes. No special symbols or includes in Visual Basic. A variable names are declared by the using in keywords. It's a dimension. It's a dimension. Cannot be including the blank space. This is called as a blank space. No space, no special symbols or include. Variable names or declared by using a keywords. It's a dimensions. Cannot be include the blank space. So this is the rules of given variable. A variable is scoped to a procedure level. It's a local or module level variable. Depending on declare the scope of variable, procedural of object determines which a part of the code in our applications. Module variable depend on declared. A scope of variable procedural object determine which a part of the code in your applications in the variable extensions. A variable declarations in general declaration sections of a form. Hints of a forms. A variable to all the procedure. A local variable recognized only in the procedure in which they are declared. The declarations of variable by can be declared with dim or static keywords. Declarations of word keywords. Dim, it's a declarations of keywords with the startings of declarations dim and statics. It's a beginning of these programs. Then write down dim and statics in keywords. If you went to a variable to be variable to all the procedure within the some module or to all the procedural application, a variable declarations with the border scopes. Implementations of all applications in creations in Visual Basic, variable declarations in dim and statics. So local variable. A local variable declare inside a procedure. This variable is only available to the code inside a procedure and can be declared using dim statements. All variable declarations in local inside the procedure can be declared using dim statements as given below. So as given this below, then take the example of given, as given below example. So dim dim num as integer. This is the dim is a declaration of keywords in dim starting of this program in dim, and give the variable name, it's a num, and as a then value they will be stored in this num. Then we have to take any value, this is the store in num, integer value, then take in the num it's a number, then we have to variable, it's a store values. So this is the given example, this is the given example, it's a num as a this example integer, it's a example. This is domains, num it's a variable, taken it's an integer, then take the value of given. So no special symbols or declare, variable name or declared by using keywords. Dimensions, variable name or declared by using in keywords dim its dimensions, cannot be including by the blank space. So example, this is the dim num as a integer. The local variable exists is a long as the procedure in which is a declare. Executing one procedure is executing the value, it's a local variables or at least, and the memory used by the variable declare. The variable that declarations it keywords is a dim exit only as a long the procedure in begin or executed. And next, statics variable. A statics variable or not reinitialized each item's value visually or procedure, and therefore returns of the value even a procedural of end in case we need to keep a track of the number of items. A command button in the application is clicked. A static counter, a variable or visual basic is a variable has to be declared in this variable statistics. The value of given variable has additional of scope of values in the module level public variable or in the development local variable declarations with dim existing only will the procedural in each they are declared in beginning of the executed value of the local variable. It's a local variable. The variable name declarations dim a statement which is used to visual basic the name and types of your variable. The visual basic does not require you to specify declare a variable before it is used to variable is not declared in visual basic. Create the visual basic by using default data types. Usually a variable contains any types of information. Using A general information has two major drawback. It can be memory resource and the variable types, the functioning of accepting specify variable types. Variable store many types of informations. Integer, it's a number, 2 bytes, or minus value plus value 32.768 to plus 32.767. It's a integer of given number 2 bytes. Long numbers 4 bytes, approximately 2 billions of length of data they will be ranged in this store. A decimal number is 4 bytes, say 1e 45 to 3e 38. It's a length of data in store range. Double, a decimal number 8 bytes, 1 5e 32 4 to 1.8e 308. It's a length of data can store. A currency, numbers with up to 15 digits, it's a left of the decimal, and 4 digits it's a right in the decimal. Is a memory requirement 8 bytes. String, a text information 1 bytes for characters, up to 65,400 characters for fixed length string, and up to 2 billion characters for a dynamic string. This is the string text informations byte number. 1 bytes, it's a 0 to 255 bytes is a range length of value then store. Booleans, it's a logical 2 bytes, or true or false. Both number is a comparison of true or false. It's a given of numbers, biggest value then given is a true value. Data and times information, 8 bytes, starting to ending. Object, it's a class, OLE, object linked embedded object, it's a 4 bytes. Then the variable store many data of informations, then declarations of variable value. So defined a declarations variable in Visual Basic. Different way declarations of variable: explicit declarations, implicit declarations. Explicit declarations, to declare a variable used to dim statements followed by the variable name and types. For example, given this value, for example, given this dim is a dim x as a integer value. Dim is a VB keywords. X is a variable name, x as an integer, it's a length of given data can store in the integer data, then length of integer value they will be stored in this x value, so this is the implicit declaration. When Visual Basic meets on undeclared variable name, it create a new variable. Then a new variable types is a generic data types that are all other data types. This is called a different way of declare in variable: explicit declarations, implicit declarations. Option explicit, explain That's it. The force the user to declare all the variable. The options, it's a statement checks in your module for using of any undeclared variable and a report or array or undeclared of variable or an error to the user. The user can recently the error in a syntax of given error message. The options explains statements can be placed in the general declaration sections of each module using the following steps. This is called a visual variable declarations. The variable declaration variable declarations. Every variable is a name, type, size, and values, and the local memory allocations in the store them. The value read memory allocation value, then undefined. Example, this is the dim is a num as a integer. It's a given value. Rule of all variable name must start the alphabetics. Keywords is a used variable. Maximum length of size is a 250, and variable contains letters, names, or underscores. No space symbols are included. Variable name or declare by using keywords. It's a dimensions cannot be including by the blank space. This is called as a variable declaration. Variable name or declaration is a the force of use to declare all the variable. These options statements or checks in the module for use if any declarations variable that reports or an error to the user. The user can the error box. The option statements can be declare place in the generical declaration sections of each module using the following steps. This is the variable declarations and introductions of variable declarations. This called as a variable statements, variable declarations. Introduction to variable declaration.